Howdy, Possum Patty here, and I'm gratitude journaling. This is my gratitude journal made out of garbage and junk mail and just scraps. We woke up to a wonderful sparkly frost today. And now I'm grateful for nature's sparkle and glitter. Frost, when it comes too early in the season, is not good for the crops and farmers. But when it's in season, it's just a natural event. So today I'm going to be grateful for the glitter in nature. I'm on the last page of my first signature, and then I'll start another one. And I thought about making a page that sparkles and glitters. So I thought maybe a shaker card or the word frost, some glitter, some sparkles. Okay, I'm gonna go gather up some junk and I'll be right back. Well, I've got this very large insurance envelope of nice white, and I was thinking about adding another layer of white to the page. Well, it's not going to be white. I'm going to paint it. This is a macaroni box with a little window in it. And I think I'll paint this, and I'll put that on here. I cut out a section of this envelope, and I painted this with a phthalo blue and a sparkly blue, shimmery blue, and I painted the inside of it too. And what I'm going to do is, I'm not really sure, but somehow I'm going to glue this down and we'll make a tuck and make a shaker pocket to go in the tuck. Something like that. Okay, I'm going to work on gluing this down. And while I'm waiting for this to dry, okay, I'm going to design a shaker card. I'm going to use part of this tissue paper wrapper. I took the end, the part that has no holes in it. And I'm going to cut off this word joy from this package of gluten-free ice cream cones. And put that in there. And then I'm going to make some little tinsel things with this paper. It's silver on one side. I'm going to use the white and the teal. So here's my little shaker card all finished. This is the top to the box that the ice cream cones came in. I took the word joy. I added a little bit of glitter on the heart and a little glitter around the edge. On this side, I put some white gesso, and then I stamped it with this oak leaf stamp with brown vintage photo ink. And I put, it's hard to see now that it's in plastic, but there's a little bit of glitter and sparkle around each leaf. And of course, I cut up the cookie wrapper to make the little sequins that are inside, and I'm going to slip my little joy for glitter and sparkle shaker card into the pocket and slip this back into the journal. This is the last page in signature 1. And I am thankful for nature's glitter, which is frost. Okay, first signature. Today I'm giving thanks This was made from a pasta box with the little window. For a happy Halloween, for the rain and the flowers, and you could see the flowers through the window. This was snow in October, and I had a bowl of chicken rice soup. I'm thankful for the farmer and the harvest. I made an apple pie. This is a bag the apples came in. Thankful for all the family members who came before me. This was on All Souls Day. This was on Election Day. I was thankful for our democracy. This is the day I had to go to the dentist, so I was thankful for my teeth and for my dentist who helps me keep them. And this day I was thankful for my little kitties, even though one of them chewed on my page. And I was getting ready to go visit my mom, who is blind. So on this day, I was thankful for my eyes and my glasses. On the way to Mom's, the scenery was beautiful, so I was thankful for nature's beauty and the 4 seasons in New England. The next day, it was 20 degrees above normal temperature, and I sat outside in the sun on a warm day in November and ate some ice cream. And then the next morning it was very foggy, and I was thankful for walking through a cloud. I saw the dark-eyed juncos had returned to the neighborhood, and I'm thankful for my winter birds that I can watch at the feeders. On Veterans Day, I was thankful for all our veterans and their service. And then this morning we had such a beautiful frost. And I walked outside to look at nature's glitter, and I am thankful again for the beauty of nature. So now I'll be ready to start my second signature in my gratitude journal. So happy gratitude journaling. Bye-bye now.